Wonderful. Very nice personal. Great services in the dining area. I like that they provide transportation to the beach and the mall. Excellent. Really appreciate the upgrade which was given. Services by all staff was superb. Attended to our needs instantly. Maintenance staff were excellent in their job. Shout out to the swimming pool staff. We visited for 2 nights. We were a family of 4 adults and 2 children. Pros. Location, on Sheikh Zayed Road. Close to Dubai Mall, Museum of the Future and a metro station. There is a grocery store in the adjacent building. The apartment is spacious. We took a premium 3-bedroom apartment on the 35th floor. The rooms and bathrooms are clean. The kitchen is complete, refrigerator, oven, microwave, pots, plates and utensils. The used dishes are cleaned by the housekeeping service. Room service dishes are reasonably priced. The manager, Mr. Nabil, served us graciously. Cons. The breakfast buffet has limited choices and its level is average or below average. We requested a car to take us to the airport from the reception, but it was not requested until the bellboy visited us to take the luggage, which led to our delay due to miscommunication. Convenient. Great value for the money. The appliances in the kitchen need to be replaced. Also, attention to detail can be improved in terms of cleanliness. Overall, the apartments are very nice and spacious. Very nice hotel and it's near the mall. Everyone that works there were very friendly and helpful, especially the front desk and room service staff. Friendly, clean, great bug room. Good, easy to go everywhere. Metro is just 2 minutes eating place, also 2 minutes enjoyed stay. This hotel was truly amazing. Everyone was super friendly and kind, especially Ashraf on the front desk. He was so great and made our stay very special. We'll definitely come to this place again. Very good staff. The hotel was very clean, big inside. The housekeeper was friendly and responsable. Every day go to my room to check if I'm okay, if I need something. Very good service. Good deal price. Property is very upscale. However, my hot water had to be fixed twice, but it was speedy both times. I commend the privacy of the area and easy access to local tourist spots including the Dubai Mall and fountains, gardens, Museum of the Future among other places. The concierge has a vast resource of activities to keep you and your family engaged. I will most certainly return. I forgot my toiletries, cologne and stuff, but I'm guessing those are long gone. Excellent staff, excellent service, nice location and view, outstanding valet parking service. Was staying for the MRO show and location was spot on. 2 minutes walk to the metro and 3 stops to the WTC. The hotel was excellent. The staff could not do enough for you, very pleasant and professional. Food was amazing and I would highly recommend staying here. Thanks to all the staff at City Premier Hotel for a very relaxing stay. The staff was very accommodating and friendly. The breakfast was overpriced for what I saw. The food was cold and soggy. The room was great and spacious though. Beautiful building as well. We had a great time. As a great location. You can go and visit Dubai in areas and is centrally located. Fantastic shop around and go places to visit. People are very courteous. I definitely highly recommend it. Good price, good location, nice staff. Highly recommended for families.